Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix invalid gift card code in Roblox. So basically what you're going to do after you log in with your account, you're going to just click the three bars at the top left and just go ahead and click the gift cards right here. And basically when you enter like a gift cards right here, let me just go ahead and hit redeem code, and it's going to open up a new window for you. So basically what's going to happen is you're going to just go ahead and add the code for your item or something like that to claim it. And basically that code is not available to you. So how do we fix it? So one of the ways to fix that problem is by going ahead into the Roblox help and support. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just enter right here the Roblox support, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down and then you click contact us, and it's gonna open up a new window for you, and you're gonna see a page just like this. So you're gonna enter your first name and last name or username, and then email address, and then the most important thing, to enter your device, and then enter the category of your problem, and then scroll a little bit down until you find the redeem or something like that, right? So basically just go ahead right here, gift card, okay? Basically be specific. Just go ahead right here and just type something like, hi, okay, I tried to claim, all right, I tried to claim my redeem code, right? But you're gonna say it's not letting me, or it's not working. And then you don't need to type like I do. I'm just demonstrating how you can do it. And you're gonna just say, please, right? Please help. Basically, that's it. All right. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.